Hello and welcome back to Doomsday Prepper. Imagine waking up to this. The world as you know it is gone. Flames and chaos engulf the city you once called home. You might think this is the stuff of movies, but the reality is closer than you think. Welcome to the ultimate urban survival guide. Welcome to Doomsday Prepper, and today, we're diving into the essentials of surviving in an urban environment when disaster strikes. Whether it's climate change, natural disasters, societal collapse, civil wars, or even World War III, you need to be prepared. Urban survival isn't just about stocking up on supplies, it's about being ready for anything. In cities, where resources can quickly become scarce, your survival depends on your ability to adapt and overcome. Let's break down why this knowledge is crucial and what you'll learn in this video. First, let's talk about the threats. Climate change can trigger severe weather events, leading to flooding, hurricanes, and heat waves. Natural disasters like earthquakes and pandemics can cripple infrastructure. Societal collapse can result from economic failures or political unrest, causing widespread panic and lawlessness. And then there's the unthinkable, civil wars or global conflicts that turn cities into battlegrounds. To survive these scenarios, you need a plan. And that's what this urban survival guide is all about. We'll cover everything from guerrilla warfare tactics to home fortification. Let's get started. First, home fortification. Your home is your fortress. Reinforce your doors and windows to prevent break-ins. Use metal bars or plywood sheets to cover windows. Install sturdy deadbolts and consider a security system with cameras. Create a safe room stocked with essential supplies where you can retreat if intruders breach your home. Simple alarms and traps can be highly effective. Set up tripwires connected to cans or other noisy objects around your property to alert you of intruders. This can give you valuable time to react. Now, let's talk guerrilla warfare tactics. In an urban environment, moving unseen and blending in is key. Use alleyways, rooftops, and underground routes like subways or sewers to navigate the city. Always stay aware of your surroundings and move in small, quick bursts to avoid detection. Camouflage is not just for the wilderness. Use urban debris and everyday items to blend into your environment. Stay low, move quietly, and avoid well-lit areas to reduce the risk of being seen. In this video, you've learned the importance of being prepared for urban survival. We've covered home fortification techniques, guerrilla warfare tactics, and the essential mindset needed to navigate and survive in a city turned hostile. Remember, the key to survival is preparation and adaptability. The skills you've seen today can mean the difference between life and death when disaster strikes. Stay prepared, stay vigilant, and stay safe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more survival tips and guides.